Welcome to Tech Turbo. Every year, it is common to see technologies coming to simplify our lives. They replace the existing technology with newer and more advanced ones. But a few of them simply blow our minds. These new innovations are bound to surprise you, as many of them are still in the budding phase and will take some time to come into the mainstream world. Today, we will check out 10 futuristic inventions that will blow your mind in 2022. 10. The Kryptonite Sneaker. These sneakers not only have an unusual shape, but they were also made in a very special way, the entire shoe 3D printed and made of a special polymer called TPA, which combines flexibility, tensile strength, and elasticity. The material can withstand temperature of up to 219.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and the elements can be as little as 0.04 inches thick. The creators of these sneakers, German architect and designer Stefan Henrich, points out the unusual shape of the sole was chosen for a reason. The name of the shoe cryptid refers to extinct or mythical creatures, and if you walk on the ground in these shoes, you can leave footprints like Bigfoot, so don't be frightened if you see such footprints. 9. Wei Ray AR. Augmented reality interfaces used in the game industry are still far from ideal, but for cars and other equipment, a system that displays a lot of useful data on the windshield is already available. According to the developers, the system can be customized to the needs of each user. Moreover, this technology can also be integrated into buildings. So, you can quickly find out the weather forecast or other data just by looking out the window. The project team works with the latest solutions in optics, holography, and chemistry, and also develops the necessary software itself. 8. Pardon. Why we use a computer mouse or a touchpad if we are born with the most advanced pointing device, that is, our fingers? Driven by these questions, experts from Switzerland have created a unique ring that allows you to control the cursor, scroll through pages, and perform other physical operations on the screen with the movement of your fingers. The rings doesn't require additional apps, it works via Bluetooth, and is so well protected against moisture that it can withstand hand or dishwashing. The battery lasts for 24 hours, and the device is suitable for both right and left-handed people. Easily control your computer using your finger with the Pardon Ring wearable ring mouse. Featuring a stylish design, this device modernizes the way you interact with your computer. Designed to replace your existing mouse, Pardon follows your index finger movement, turning any work desk into a limitless touchpad. Additionally, the battery lasts throughout your entire workday. Simply set the ring in the wireless charging station for it to reach full charge in less than 3 hours. Using Bluetooth connectivity, Pardon doesn't even require any software installation. Available in 12 different sizes, the ring fits just as it should on your finger. Moreover, you can even keep the ring on you while you wash your hands. Weighing less than half an ounce, Pardon looks and feels just like a jewelry ring. 7. Attuned To Beto 2. The creators of this exoskeleton believe that with it, you can run effortlessly on all types of terrain. It was created in Japan. The device helps reduce stress on the joints and waist and also absorbs some of the shock load inherent in running. The manufacturer specializes in similar products. For example, some time before they created an exoskeleton that allows a person to lift 220.5 pounds to a height of up to 6.6, and this model is an auxiliary option suitable for delivery workers or mail carriers. It is quite light, weighing in at 3.5 kilograms, making it easy to put on and take off without any assistance. So, it will help create an environment that enables the elderly to easily integrate walking training in their daily routine. The elderly experiencing locomotive syndrome will be able to walk around effortlessly, and by rehabilitating their ability to walk, there are hopes that this will help restore a healthy state from not only musculoskeletal illness, but also from a wide range of potential illnesses such as adult-onset diseases. 6. Carapure. In modern cities, in spite of being digital and filled with technology, it is sometimes difficult to find quality drinking water. This generator, which provides up to 2.5 gallons per day, will give us access to clean, tasty, and mineral-rich water. A key feature of the generator is the ability to draw water directly from the air. In doing so, the water will have an optimal pH index, as well as contain magnesium, calcium, and other elements beneficial for the human body. You want youthful-looking skin? Drink more water, says the creators of the generator. The purity of liquidity is guaranteed by the built-in UV sterilizer, and at the same time, the device will clean the air in the room, collecting harmful substances in special filters and ensuring an optimal humidity level. 5. Azeron Cyborg. How can a computer keyboard be improved? The answer is on your screen. This is how specialists from Latvia see the future of this accessory. Depending on the model, the keyboard offers from 24 to 29 programmable keys, a joystick, and a special 5-position switch. The design allows you to flexibly adjust the keyboard to suit the palm of your hand. To do this, you will need a special screwdriver that comes with the device. The device weighs 2.5 pounds and is powered by USB. The internal memory is enough to save several control profiles. Right-handed and left-handed versions are also available. The developers claim that they have managed to combine the advantages of a classic keyboard and a gamepad in one gadget. So we have a question for gamers. Do you think this gadget will be convenient to use? 4. Prodrome PD6B AW Arm. The world's first full-size drone with 2 arms is offered by a team of specialists from Japan. The drone weighs 44 pounds and can hold objects weighing up to 22 pounds in its arms. Its maximum flight speed is 37 miles per hour. For example, allows to quickly deliver a life ring to a drowning person. The drone can fly for 30 minutes on a single charge. It's capable of working in any weather and can climb to an altitude of up to 3.2 miles. The manufacturer is confident that this development will keep people safe in a variety of scenarios. For example, when working at high altitudes or with dangerous loads. 3. Bell Nexus. Want to turn a 45 minutes commute into a 10-minute flight? This might soon become a reality thanks to this air cap. The 5-seater is equipped with a powerful engine, allowing it to take off and land vertically. The pilot can control the air cap by himself or entrust this process to the autopilot. There are several versions with different ranges, from 60 to 150 miles. The company is confident that these vehicles will be useful for carrying both passengers and cargo, and in the future will be integrated into urban air mobility system, and they will save time, which is most important resource for many people. 2. Emerge Home. The technology is based on ultrasonic waves, thanks to which the tactile sensations are formed at a height of up to 3 feet above the device and 120 degrees around it. The panel is made of polycarbonate, weighs 5.7 pounds, and is pleasantly compact. It's about the size of a 13-inch laptop. Thanks to these special apps, you can build a network of 7 devices and interact with other people by shaking hands or playing games. 1. Ecto 1. Tactile sensations are interesting, but sitting in an armchair or on a sofa is clearly not good for quality immersion in the virtual world. The creators of these bots walk you through the digital reality with your own feet. The device is made of carbon fibers, and the boots can be used on top of your usual shoes, thanks to the special roller. The user walks through the virtual world, remaining in place in the real world, which allows using the boots in small rooms at the same time. They provide reliable support without turning into rollerblades. There's also a technology that prevents motion sickness. According to the creators, their development will help when working with large virtual environments, because today, digitalized objects can reach hundreds of thousands of square feet in size. Which one of them did you like the most? Thanks for watching.